Alright, we're upstairs here in the parts department. So we're going to come up here and raid my Sportster gears. Junk out of the way here. Gotta get to my gears. Alright, what do we got here? That's not what we're looking for. Oh, back here. Junk in the way. I ain't got room for my feet anywhere. Okay, what do we got in here? These are Harley gears here. Hopefully we got some low gears in here. Oop. These are my eBay conquest here. 58 is not the gear I'm looking for. That's probably a countershaft drive gear would be my guess. Countershaft second. That's an old ass gear. I don't really want to use that age. That's an early 70s gear. That's not the quality I'm looking for. I want red boxes. Later production stuff. Countershaft second. That does not look like a countershaft second to me. Yeah, that is countershaft second. Okay, so what production are we looking at here? This can be all the way up into the early 80s. And then they changed again. I like the later ones better. The newer the gear, the better quality it's going to be, most likely. There's another countershaft second. Two of them in here. Not sure the vintage of these. What we got here? Probably more the same, I'm guessing. 58 number. Would be a low gear most likely, yep. Here's the newer production here. 58. Countershaft what? 58 is going to be a drive gear. I don't want a drive gear. Made in 90. Oh, can't use it now, it's been dropped. Oh well, I have to throw it away now. Unusable. Okay, so these are 70s production, early 70s, late 70s into early 80s. Low gear, and these ones here. That's the one I need. Look nice. One of these made. No date codes. The end of the box is gone with the date code is off. Oop. This one's all taped up where the date code was at. And this one here is missing the bottom of the box also. Alright. Guess we can go ahead and use this one. Got none better to use, so we'll use this one. Okay, that's a whole box of countershafts in there too. Get some more gears. Okay, this one here is our countershafts. Now we need low gears. We're on the hunt for low gear. Ah, get off my knee. $58 again, made in 80. Ooh. Countershaft drive gear. We got a lot of countershaft drive gears. Why are they not all in one pile? See, I kept buying them, and I didn't know I had more of them in the same vicinity as all the other ones. So there's that one, and there's that one. There, now they're all the same place. Probably another one right here. There's a number. Not sure what that is. Hard to open a Ziploc with one hand. You ever tried that? It's not easy. I'm looking for a low gear. Bingo! Low gear. Nice smooth. Ooh, look at those nice ground surfaces. They look nice. Alright, that's a low gear. That must have been a 52 number. That's what I was kind of thinking it said, but I wasn't sure. Good, it's the only one I got, so this one we're going to take. '58 countershaft drive gears. Third gear, I got a lot of third gears. This is the same one that was out of box. I bought that one on eBay and I got plenty of my own. Okay, so I'm going to put these over here for now because they belong somewhere. There's a low gear too for now. I'll put that in that box. Okay, that's you. And this is no counter shafts in that box. Okay, so we got a low gear and we got a counter shaft second. Well, counter shaft third, I mean. Or second. What is that? Second gear. Yeah, it goes high gear, second, third, low. Yeah, they're backwards. Alright, what do we got over here? There's big twin junk. 65 is big twin. Yeah, little one. So, we don't need no big twin junk. This is a big twin junk. I don't care about big chunk. There's clutch gears for sportsters. I don't really know those. Andrews, second gear XL 4-speed. Okay. There's one just laying here. That's a 5. So that's an Andrews main shaft second. I got a bunch of those already. I'm happy with this CCI one. Third counter 4-speed. Those are the big fat ones. Second counter 4-speed. So this is the Andrews version of that one. So if I want to use an Andrews instead of a genuine Harley, I can do that. That's what this one is. What's worth more for resale? Andrews parts they still make or Harley parts they quit making years ago? Harley's probably worth more. You can always replace the Andrews stuff. Here's an Andrews. The finish isn't good as CCI. It's rougher. Ooh, it's a little gear. What year? Yeah, 73. Yuck. I don't really want to use a 73 gear. Don't really want to go to that one. What else is back in here? More room around this place. Oh, there's a counter shaft. 26 tooth gear, Andrews. That's the same one that I used for the Harley. It's the same gear. So that's a good one. Take that downstairs. Uh, 87, 90s or more of them. Yep. Here's I got a few of them in here. I don't think they make those anymore. Not sure. Those are low gears. Not the one I want though. I want the 87 low gear. 73 is not the one I want. 73. Third counter. Third counter. Third counter. Third counter. I'll go check that one out too. And what's this one? Second main. That's the matching one. And here's this one here. We can see if we want to use that too or not. I like the CCI one. I don't want to use that. I don't like that one. Okay, some more junk. 79. Stop here. Andrews main shaft. That's expensive. Ooh, look at that. 87. That's hard to come by. Low gear Harley. There's some Harley parts down there too. What are those? Look like main shafts. 5-speed junk. People have that. Those over here though. Probably 5-speed, just 5-speed box. 79A has a 5-speed part. 84, that's an Andrews. They're calling it 5-speed. 84, that must be an 89. 84 would be a 4-speed part. Close ratio gears. Lots and lots of low gears. Not the ones I want. Main shaft. Oh, that's a Harley gear. Okay. Yeah. Kicker stuff. Kicker. What the hell's in this box? And gears. Lots of them. Oh, these are shift forks, I bet. These are shift forks. Ah, there's counter shafts. We'll have some of them floating around here somewhere. Oh, shift forks too. Oh, these are main shafts. What are these for? It says 5-speed on it. I don't have a 5-speed main shaft for. That'd be a big twin crap. Probably what they're buried down here. Okay. Here's what I'm looking for. Counter shaft. Should have been some open ones, but oh well. It'll be open now. Counter shaft. I need one of those. Yeah, more Harley stuff. Good. What do we got? Main shaft, 2017. And we had one up there already, I think so. But this is a new production. 97. That's pretty new. I like new. New is better. These are 80 boxes here. Date can't read. These are 80s. These are 83 in later packaging. Non-AMF, first Harley in the 80s. Same color as the earlier ones, but definitely different boxes. Let's see, here's 4-speed first. Date codes all evaporated in my ears. Ooh, what's that? What's that down there? Ah, disappointment. Garbage. Oh, no junk. No low gear. Damn it. I don't think anybody reproduces that low gear either. But I'm not sure. All I know is I don't have one. I used to have one. I think I sold it to somebody that wanted it more than I did. Okay, what else do we got? Nothing. Yeah. That just leaves my secret stash area. Alright. Well, I got a few things to dig through. Alright, we'll be back.